Every component performs a specific role in electrical circuit. First of all, transformer. Transformer is a static stationary device that transforms power one circuit to another circuit. There are mainly two types. First, step up. Second is step down. A step up transformer increases the voltage and a step down transformer decreases voltage. The main thing about transformer is it doesn't change frequency. Whatever comes as input is what is received as output. Breaker is a protective device. A circuit breaker can be controlled remotely or manually. It is designed to protect circuit or load from overload, short circuit, ground fault, etc. A large variety of circuit breakers are available presently in market. Now I will discuss some circuit breaker like as ACB air circuit breaker, VCB vacuum circuit breaker, MCB miniature circuit breaker, RCCB residual circuit breaker, MCCB molded cast circuit breaker, RCBO residual current breaker with overcurrent setting. Electrical contactor is electrically operated switch by which contacts large amount of electrical power is switching. Contactor is similar to relay but it has more current rating ability. On the basis of electromagnetic coil supply, there are two types of electrical contactor. One AC operated, second is DC operated, but operation and mechanism is same. In AC supply operated coil is made by laminated silicon steel and DC supply operated contactor coil is made from soft steel. Typically the coil supply is 110 to 30 volt AC or DC. The current rating is 5 ampere to 15 amperes. Generally, contactors are used in electrical circuit. Relay is same like as contactor, but the relay have low power rating. Otherwise, nothing in relay and contactor both are same. Generally, relay are used in automation, control, circuit, etc. Diode is semiconductor device that has two terminals. The unique property of diode is unidirectional. It is made from germanium and silicon semiconductor. There are large range of diode: Zener diode, Schottky diode, voltage suppressor transistor, field effect transistor, silicon control rectifier, insulated gate bipolar transistor are also made from diode. Diode can convert AC signal into pulsating DC. Diode can be used like as voltage regulator and over voltage controller. It helps in signal modulation and demodulation. It also helps to build logic gates. Push button are mechanical device which is used to make contact or break the contact. Mainly there are four types of push button. First of all, push button with spring return. Second is push button with latching. Third is push button with rotational release or emergency push button or mushroom type push button. Fourth is push button with indication lamp. First of all, push button with spring return is. In this type of push button, after pressing this type of push button, it comes back to its place. But push button with latching, after pressing this button, does not comes its place. It's stuck right there. Third is mushroom type push button. Generally it is called emergency push button. After pressing it hold at place, but after rotating it comes back. Some push button are come with inbuilt indication lamp, hence they show their state through indication. Inductor is two-terminal passive component that store energy in form of magnetic field. Typically, it provides minimum resistance for direct current and maximum resistance for AC current. In the inductor, voltage lead 90 degree from current. Inductor is wounded wire yields nothing. When electric current passes through an inductor, it creates magnetic field. This induced magnetic field resists sudden change of current. As we know that AC is alternating in nature, so inductor provided resistance. This resistance called inductor. The SI unit of inductor is Henry. Now I will discuss some application of inductor. By inductor, L-type filter and many type of filter are made by inductor in electronics. Inductive equipment like transformer, motor, alternator, generator, DC valve are made by inductor. A resistor is two-terminal device that does not allow easy flow of current. It is used to control of voltage. The SI unit of resistor is ohm. There are two types of resistor. First is linear resistor. Second is non-linear resistor. In linear resistor, the value of resistor is fixed and specified. It cannot change manually or by other technique. Second is non-linear register. In non-linear register, the value is not specific and can be changed with respect to voltage or current. It means the value of resistor cannot be linear or proportional with voltage or current. Capacitor is device that is store electrical energy in form of charge. These charge particles are stored between two parallel plates of capacitor. The SI unit of capacitor is Faraday. Now I will discuss some application of capacitor. Bicapacitor we can use as power factor in power electronics, signal conditioning, audio amplification, single phase motor starter, and some sensing equipment in instrumentation like level sensor, humidity sensor, fuel sensor. Capacitor has a unique property that is its leading current 90 degree from voltage. Another component is fuse. Fuse is electrical safety device. It is protect against overcurrent. There are many types of fuse like as cartridge fuse, blade fuse, resettable fuse, thermal fuse or thermal cutoff fuse, miniature fuse, high voltage fuse, semiconductor fuse or electronics fuse. Next is rewirable fuse. The another name of rewirable fuse is KitKat type fuse. Let's start cartridge type fuse. It is a tube shaped fuse with a metal or filament inside that melt when too much current passes through it. This breaks the electrical circuit and prevent damage to connected equipment. Fuse is made of ceramic, porcelain or glass tube. Cartridge type fuse has metallic shape and cap. Metallic cap at the both ends are provided. The contact points are connected by fuse link, which is a length of material that melt when too much current passes through it. When the fuse link material goes melt, the fuse becomes open circuit. Advantage of cartridge fuse. Fuse elements are protected in tube, so no any risk of sparking or arcing. It operates faster than rewirable fuse during fault condition. It is used in application of higher reliability, more compatible with low voltage. It is suitable where petrol, gas, chemical are used or make. Resettable fuse are suitable where frequent overcurrent condition occur or constant uptime is required, like as overcurrent in consumer circuit, electronics PCB, power line like as SMPS, telecommunication, signal conditioning and process control. This fuse has property to reset automatically when the temperature becomes low or under control. Resettable fuse are passive electronic components used to protect against overcurrent fault in electric circuit. These are work as PTC, positive temperature coefficient. When current flow through it, it becomes hot and break the contact and work like as open circuit. The device also known as multi-fuse or polyfuse or polyswitch. Blade type fuse are especially designed for vehicle. It is also called a spade or plug-in fuse. The main advantages of this type of fuse are suitable for vehicle and capable to bear vibration and shock. Another next is thermal fuse. Thermal fuse are used to prevent fire. These type of fuse are temperature sensitive, so they are not working on current but work on temperature. For example, when your iron temperature gets high, it gets cut off the power, and as soon as you reduce the temperature to rotating the knob, it start giving power supply again. Some other example of thermal fuse, like it is used in roaster, heater, dryer and bread toaster. The main disadvantages: they are not able to reset automatically like resettable fuse. Next fuse is high voltage fuse. This fuse is used in power distribution, power transmission line. When there is over current and over voltage flow in the grid, then the fuse burst and drop down. The high current is not carried forward in the transmission line. This fuse is generally used in transmission line of above 10 kV. It is cheaper than other protection. It becomes vaporized when overcurrent scenario is happens, and this type of fuse are easy to install. Its another name is drop down fuse. Another next is semiconductor fuse. It also known as electronics fuse. These type of fuse are unidirectional wherever power is required only one direction. Comparatively, it is fast response. Generally, this type of fuse are suitable for variable frequency drive, SMPS, control unit. Semiconductor fuse is also known as ultra rapid fuse. Semiconductor fuse is also classified in AR, GR, GS type of fuse on their basis of performance and speed. Rewirable fuse provide facility to change fuse wire if whenever fuse wire get melt on over current. The another name of rewirable fuse is KitKat type fuse. This type of fuse are used in our home. It is mounted in ceramic case. Rewirable fuse is not suitable for industrial purpose because the heat is directly dissipated with environment. Cable are conductive material that carry electrical supply. It may be insulated or non-insulated. Generally, copper and aluminum are used to make cable because they have good in conductor. Copper can sustain 10 to 30 times of their diameter and aluminum can sustain 10 to 50 times of current from their diameter. This current carrying capacity depends on the quality of cable, length of cable and where is cable placed. The type of cable depends on what do you want. Generally, there are two types of cable. First of all, power cable. Second is networking cable. Further, power cable are classified in two categories. First, HT means high tension, then LT, low tension cable. Here, HT, high tension means more than 1 kV and LT, low tension means less than 1 kV. Large number of networking cable. One by one I am discussing. First of all, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, shielded twisted pair cable, unshielded twisted pair cable. Now, coaxial cable are used for data transmission, cable, television, internet and security system. These are known for their ability to transmit signal over long distance without loss of quality. Optic fiber cable. These cables are also used for television, computer networking, signal processing, internet connectivity. The main difference is no any electrical conductor are placed to transmit the power. Signal is transmitted at the speed of light in fiber optic. Fiber optic coded internally reflect the light and reflected light is converted into electrical signal. Fiber optic are comparatively faster than coaxial cable. Second is shielded twisted pair cable. Shielded twisted pair cable are used in networking where electromagnetic interface is concerned. These cables are more expensive compared to fiber optics. Generally, these are used in automation and industrial signal controlling and processing. It is also classified in two types: foil shielded twisted pair cable and braid shielded twisted pair cable. Foil shielded pair cable is every core is foiled and sealed with conductive material, and braid shield is the cable bunch is shielded with conductive material. Individually, cable are not protected with conductive material. So, foil STP means shielded twisted pair cable are costly as compared to braid shielded twisted pair cable.